In this video, I'm going to be covering Notion templates for students aesthetic. So you can see basically before we begin, you can head over to the link in the description to access Notion and its features. So it got a lot of them. Now for students, you can see we have a specific different type of templates available. So I suggest you head over to the templates section, and from here you can see we have the school option. Now here you got your different type of templates related to students and whatever you would like to do, your dashboard you would like to go with. Let's just say we have this free template that we can use. We can tackle our group assignments like pro with comprehensive student group assignments. You can see we have docs and deliverables. We can attach them, details. We can put different kind of tables in here, so like that you can use it for student aesthetic. So I hope this helps. You can head over to the link in the description to access Notion. Do not forget to do that.